This is AB. You see I got some 8-inch plates down there. Throw another one up there. And I see this short barrel 10-inch 22 Grizzly conversion. See the accuracy of it. We're going to put a couple down range here. I got the red dot on it. Got a couple more poppers there, if you will. But you can see the accuracy on it is fairly good, you know, for a 10-inch barrel sleeve and a conversion kit, and this goes into your AK. Doesn't change anything. It does have to be a stamped AK because that bolt rides on those two indentations on a stamp receiver. When you bend that or fold that receiver, you got those two little creases, and the barrel runs on those creases. But like I say, so far not too bad accuracy with that. So I'll shoot a couple. Just set them up again here. Just put a couple more of these 5.55s in. Seems to like the Winchester or the Federal. I haven't had good luck with the Remington bullets, but they seem to be eating these 5.55 Remingtons. 36 grain. They're moving along at 1280 feet per second with these bolt packs. I think I got these online at targetsports.com. They're able to get a brick of I think like 5,000, and they send it to your house. So let's just do this here. I got about 17 rounds in her. We're going to lock and load, and a couple more. Okay, I had one failure to feed again there. Try it again. Okay. Let's see what she'll do. A couple more. Alright, shot them. I had one failure to feed, you know, out of 17, 20. I guess, you know, rimfire can be a little finicky, so whatever you guys think, man. I think, you know, for the kit is like $259 from Centerfire. You know, you get out here, you plink, have a little bit of fun, you know, try some different rounds with it, but overall, if it keeps running like that, I'd say it's still fairly fun to get, you know, one failure to feed or so in a bulk of, you know, if you shoot a couple hundred rounds or whatever. I think it's feasible. So I'll continue to do some testing on it, and I'll let you know what I run into. But so far, it seems to be fairly good. So with that, stay tuned for the next episode. Thank you, guys.